been doing the coding club for about a month and a half now. We started right after spring break. And it really started with Ron Lamont. He called me into his office and he said, this is something I'm curious about. Is it something that you're curious about? And we both were. So we wanted to start out pretty basic. So my job was to find some software that we can get the kids started on where they could work independently and at their own pace. And really my job was to open up the door, give them a device, and let them explore. So right now we're using code.org, and it's basically just drop and drag, and it begins with coding logic, which is really where the kids need to start. And of course they love the interface because it has to do with Angry Birds and Flappy Birds and those sorts of things. So it's very kid friendly, but it does teach them those basic levels of logic that they need to be able to move forward into coding.
I think Top of the World started this coding club because we need programmers in the future. They have this drag and drop program, which you can make the Angry Bird get the pin, which is the first stage, and then there's other stages like have the drawer draw a certain shape in a certain way. And then I'm guessing that eventually, when you keep on going in the game, they're gonna ask you to type the code, which I think is really helpful. One of my best friends is working at the same level as me, and we're kind of collaborating together. Like, do you know how to do this? And I said, sure, and then he explains it. So I think it's a really good teamwork effort.
Well, coding itself, the logic that they're working with is just purely problem solving. So it really ties in well with the Common Core curriculum, communication with each other, teamwork, problem solving, and it really does set the stage for applying all those skills to any curriculum subject.